Once it's all set, this is how our own self-hosted AI server on our own machine looks like. It looks like similar to ChatGPT, the interface looks similar, and you can use, as per your convenience with all the security in place. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to host our own AI server which will look like ChatGPT. Let's get started. If you are watching this video, I believe you already know what ChatGPT is. So the first question you must be thinking is, why do I need my own server when ChatGPT is free? Let's try to understand that. If you have heard this line, if something is free, then you are not customer, you are product. That is very true for ChatGPT as well. If you ever pay attention to, the ChatGPT window that opens up, it always say that, never share your personal data, sensitive data, and the reasons are multiple. Like the first reason is the data that you put in there is shared with third party, service providers. That is one. Second thing is that, whatever you type in, those queries are also saved for learning purposes. And this is not something I am making it up. It's right there on the browser window, on the ChatGPT window, where you do all the questioning and answering. But we still use it because the product is awesome and we like it and it's free. Now think about a scenario that we have a AI server which doesn't need a internet connection to run. Once you have set it up on your machine, it runs locally. So all the discussions we had like couple of seconds back regarding privacy, that automatically goes away. So let me introduce you to open source AI server that we are going to talk about today, Ollama. Without waiting any further, let's start with installation of the same. So in this video, we are going to cover installation on Mac OS. The machine that I'm using is M1 with 61 GB RAM. So before downloading, just have a look at the list of models that we can utilize. Each model is capable or specialized in a different field, and they are being updated regularly. So now let's start with the download. So download is very standard. You click on download, go and select your operating system for which you are downloading, and wait for the download to complete. So once the download is complete, all you need to do is just double click on the zip file, and it will extract the application in your downloads folder itself. When you try to launch the application, you will get a security pop-up because you have downloaded it and not installed from App Store. The simple process is open the security settings, scroll down, you will get an option to open anyway. Fill in your password and you will get option to launch the application. Now, the next thing is moving the application from downloads folder to the application folder. Once it is moved, we will try to launch it again from the application folder itself, and we are all set. Now let's go and install a model. So if you go to the website again, just go to the models page and pick, like, we can start with one of the models, which is called Llama 3. So just remember the name, go to the terminal window, just write Ollama so that you are sure now it's installed. You can see that. Now what we have to do is we have to essentially pull the image from the repository. So we will write Ollama pull and the name of the model that we want to use. It will take some time to download the complete model. It's of good size. I think it's close to 3 or 4 GB. So depending on the internet speed you have, okay, it's 4.7 GB we can see on the screen. So it will take some time to download. And once download is completed, you can start using Ollama right away. So to run the model, you have to write Ollama run and the name of the model. Let's quickly check if the model got downloaded. Ollama list will help us do that. Now write Ollama run and name of the model. And here you go. So what you see is the prompt. You can simply type your question and then see the amazing things happening. So if you are a terminal person, command line person, you will love it. So you can see, how the response is coming up, and just heads up. So speed will be a little slow. Let's check if Llama knows ChatGPT real quick. Looks like it knows it very well. Now let's set up web UI for our Ollama server. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to do a Docker-based installation. In order to do that, the first thing we have to do is install Docker. So this is the website from where I'm downloading. I have M1 processor, and I had some trouble, using the default download that is available on the website. So I'll share the link. If you have M1 processor, use this link to download. For I think people having M2 processor can directly use it from the website itself of Docker. So once download is complete, simply double click on it. And since again we have downloaded it from internet, we have to go to security settings and allow the execution of this file. So click on open anyways, enter your password. If you have a touch ID, you have to just enter touch ID, click on open. So it will ask you to drag Docker into the application folder, or drag it there. Then you have to go to the application folder. Now double click on the Docker application. So again, it will prompt you for a that open anyway security setting. So simply go to the security window and click on open anyway. Another pop-up will show up with open option. Click on that, and we are all set. So a Docker pop-up will open up. Just click on accept. You can select, standard recommended settings. Click on finish. It will prompt for a password or touch ID. Do the needful, and I think, there's nothing else that needs to be done now. So now Docker is set. Let's, initialize the Docker image. So simply write web UI get Ollama, and the first link that will show up is a GitHub repository. Just click the first link, scroll down, and there's the first command that we need to run. Since we have Ollama already in our server, we have not changed any kind of configuration. Simply copy this command, go to your terminal, and paste it there. Once you do that, it will start downloading the image, and based on the size of the image, it will take some time. So now the image is downloaded and initialized. So let's check it. Dr. PS command will show you, what images are running right now. And you can see, it's running on port 3000. So let's type localhost colon 3000. And you have your personalized AI server ready. Click on sign in, register your account, and mind it, the first account that you register is going to be the admin account. You have to enter your name, email, and password, and you're good to go. After your account is logged in, go to the top left, select the model that we had downloaded, and you can start asking questions, maybe difficult ones. Now let's quickly add another model. So the command will be docker pull and the model name. Once you do it, again, the image will be downloaded based on the size and speed. Now let's quickly use this model. Go back to your ChatGPT window. On the top left, you will see two models now. Now, based on your requirement, the field of specialization, you can download different models, select the model from the list, and ask model specific questions, or utilize the expertise of the model in a particular field as well. I will recommend you to go through the different settings that this interface offers. You can create your own models. You can pull new models. You can, put some restrictions in place. All these kind of stuff you can go through the admin settings and just explore these options, the large number of options it offers. I hope the video was helpful. Please let me know in case you need another video for Windows or Ubuntu installation. I'll be happy to create the same. And thanks for watching. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.